Hello everyone, this is fast and light technical lesson on how to install Microsoft TeamViewer on Linux system Ubuntu. Now I'm using the version Ubuntu 18, and first you're gonna go to this website. I'll include the link in the description box. This is the link. Once you go for there, you're gonna find download for desktop. You're gonna click this link. Oh, it goes to this location, and which will show you two download links. You're gonna select the appropriate for your system. In my case, I selected the first one. I downloaded Linux Debian 64-bit, and I placed it in the downloads folder. Make sure of that to be easier for you to install later. Then you're gonna go to the terminal after you finish the download, and you're gonna make sure that you are in the folder downloads. Once you are there, you're gonna copy this link, okay, as you can see here, and you're gonna paste it on the terminal link. If you're not logged in, the system is going to ask you to log in. And in my case, here's the link here. I passed it in the terminal and I click enter, and let's go and install that fast. Once it's done, you're gonna find it in the shortcut favorite section. If it's not there, you can add it. You're gonna go here, show all applications, and search for TeamViewer, and you're gonna add it to the favorite section. And in my case, because I've added it already, it shows here remove from favorites. And once it's done, you're gonna find here, you're gonna click it, and let's check this out. There you go, it's working fine without any issues. Thank you guys, hope you enjoyed the lesson, and see you in another technical lesson.